Hi, Franny. Thanks for your message, love. Yeah, I'm down at the boat at the moment. That is the bilge that just needs finishing cleaning up and painting, allegedly. And the floor there, you can see, is a bit rotten, so the carpenter's going to do a fix on that for me. And I think a lot of my wood can go because, you know, when I need a bit of wood, I can never find the piece I want, so it just seems a bit silly. Yeah, so the boat's an absolute bloody tip, but anyway, it doesn't matter. I've just cleared out the cockpit and the lazarette because they're going to have to do the floor there, and it's buggered just under here. You can kind of just see, but it's quite a dip, and underneath it's worse. So yeah, there you go. And the only place that is cord is that place. Everywhere else solid fiberglass except the cockpit floor. So anyway, it is what it is. Yeah, don't worry about ringing today. I might go meet my friend Miley. She's come over from the other side of Thailand to Phuket. And yesterday I had a day in bed because I had a migraine and I just couldn't function. Anyway, I had all the lazarette stuff out in the cockpit here from this lazarette here. Anyway, so I just cleaned that up. Because I can. No, because I need to do that so that they can get here and do shit, obviously. So it's all in a trolley at the moment. I'm waiting for Sam's chap to come. It's bloody hot. So it's all there in that trolley at the end of the dock. And I think I'll have to do a couple of runs to his little workshop. So yeah, so anyway, I'm just waiting for Sam. Yeah. They look, he's pretty good, but you know, when he says, oh yeah, we'll do it first thing on Saturday morning, I think first thing means, oh, first thing then. Apparently not. Because, you know, they had a night out last night. So, but you know, I get that in a way that's the trouble with not paying or having people do stuff for very cheap, is that you have no say. So it ultimately ends up taking twice as bloody long, which ultimately means I might as well have paid in the first place, kind of thing. But you know where I'm at. So yeah, I should be at home. I should be able to talk tomorrow, but I'll let you know if I'm not, if I go to the beach or something. Although beach is my thing, really. But anyway, never mind. Yeah, so that's that, really, lovey. Hope John has a nice parrot, if that's the way he's going. Because you don't want one with a foul mouth, basically. Anyway, have a good drive up. Enjoy your chainsawing, John. And that's bloody expensive. $1,500 just to say yes, you can chop a fucking tree down. Shit, I'm in the wrong business, mate. Anyway, yeah, have a good day, darling. Don't worry about ringing. We'll speak when we speak. I love you heaps. Bye.